Hello everyone, my name is Martin, and in today's video I'm really excited to show you about our new project, the Recognition Assisted Camera for Automated Microscopy, aka the RaCAM. This camera is a Raspberry Pi powered, high resolution and yet affordable and open source camera that is compatible with any microscope that is using a C or CS mount and is dedicated to automated microscopy using artificial intelligence and deep learning approaches. As I said, the software that were developed for image acquisition, image processing and image recognition, as well as the 3D model to print your own camera case and camera sensor adapter are all available for free in a GitHub repository, and the link is just below in the description. On this repository you will find every file you need to download and all the instructions to install the software and packages you need to be able to run two independent automated microscopy workflows that were developed just for this camera. The first workflow relies on image segmentation and is capable of performing image acquisition, processing, and segmentation of all microscopic specimens into individual images, and then recognition of all these specimens at a rate of about 1 per second. The second workflow relies on object detection and commonly used YOLO model to perform image acquisition and object detection directly on the original field of view images, just like this one, in less than a second per field of view. Similar to facial recognition and tracking technology, the camera is also capable of doing live detection and automatically captures images when an object of interest is detected. Finally, this camera can also directly batch process already existing images and also automatically generate census table for all specimens that were detected so far. And the cherry on top, what if I told you that all of this can directly run on your power bank, so you can easily bring and use it directly into the field. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please go check the link in the description if you want to build your own camera, and see you soon.